Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening my Allure beauty box. I have to cut this wrapping off real quick so we can see it. It's like not fully closed. The box like can't close with whatever's in here. So there's that. Let me just get this baby off here. Look at this. It's not fully closed. So here is the box for this month, for December. And the first thing in here is this little card that tells you everything that's in here. Oh, that's what it is. Okay, so the first thing is so the first thing in here is this purifying scrubbing sea salt. Cleansing, purifying, scrubbing with sea salt. Okay, so this is a purifying shampoo. It's ideal for a detox or post-coloring treatment. So that's what that is. Let's see how much it is. Okay, so I'm guessing this is not the full size. That would be ridiculous. But this is $53 for, I'm guessing, a bigger one? I hope that it's not for this tiny thing. But 53 bucks for that one. The next thing I see in here is a Hello Fab. It's a coconut skin smoothie priming moisturizer. And this retails for $28. I'm guessing this is full size. Probably. I could see that. So that is that. I love First Aid Beauty. I love them. I have a bunch of their skincare products. I have been using them for a while. So they are one of my favorites. Okay, so I got Anastasia Brow Gel. And this is, I'm guessing this is a sample size? Maybe? But it's $22 for this. I know I love this stuff. I've used it a lot before. I haven't in a long time, but I used to use it quite often. So here's this, I'm pretty sure this is the sample size. But there's the brow gel. Next, I see an Anastasia liquid lipstick, and this is $20 normally, and I got trust issues. And let's be real, in real life I also have that problem, so this is made for me. So this is the color. And that's what it looks like. It's like a beautiful like mauve color. Super into it. That's super pretty. Alright, the next thing, the final thing in here, I'm actually so excited. I did see a preview for this, so I got super stoked about this. This is probably the most exciting Allure after Carly Bible, because hers had some Anastasia in it too and like a bunch of really good stuff. But this one is super exciting. So we got the Moonchild Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit Palette. Look at this baby. That is beautiful. Like those colors, oof. I cannot wait to use these. I love highlight, so I'm so stoked to have this. And this normally retails for $40. So everything in this box, most of it was Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm super stoked. So we got a palette for highlight, a lip color, a brow gel, and then we got a nice moisturizer and a shampoo. Like, I think that is what that's supposed to be. Yeah, a purifying shampoo. So we got a hair product, a skincare product, and then 3 cosmetic products, which I'm super excited about. I cannot wait to put these on. They're gonna be so beautiful. But that is everything that I got in my Allure beauty box this month. It was pretty exciting, I must say. I'm stoked to try a bunch of this stuff. Out and use it and see if I like it. I mean, I've used a decent, like I've used obviously these two. I have a few of these and I've used them as well, so actually I've used that. So this is the only thing I gotta try out in this, which hopefully this doesn't ruin my hair. Even though it says it's for post-color treatment. So yeah, Anyways, guys, that is everything I got in my Allure beauty box this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!